Hello, young learners. Welcome back to our fun writing numbers class. Today, we are going to write numbers from 141, that is 141, to 180, that is 180. Let's begin together. First, write down the hundreds place, tens place, and the units place or ones place. Similarly, hundreds, tens, units. Hundreds, tens, units. Hundreds, tens, units. Great. Now, let's start from 141. 141, 142. Write with me. 143, 144, 145, 146, 147, 148, 149. After this, 9 becomes 0, 4 becomes 5, the next number, and 1 remains same as we are talking about the 100 place. 150. So after 149 comes 150. Then after 150 will come 151, which is 151. 152, which is 152. 153, 154, 155, 156, 157, 158, 159. After 9 comes 0. After 5 comes 6 and 1 remains 1. So 160. So after, you can also say 59 comes 60. 160. After 160 comes 161. Yes. 161. 162. Good going. 163. 164, 165, 166, 167, 168, 169, and then after 9 comes 0, after 6 comes 7, and 1 remains 1. 170. Excellent, young learners. After 170, what will come? 171. Absolutely. 171, 172, 173, 174, 175, 176, 177, 178, 179, and after 9, always remember, comes 0. After 7 comes 88, and after 1 comes 1. So 179, 180. You can also see like 79. After 79 comes 80. 180. So we have written today numbers from 141 to 180. Wow, you all deserve a big smiley. Excellent, young learners. Excellent. So now, for my previous number writings, okay, you refer writing numbers. You refer to my previous videos on writing numbers from 1 to 140. Okay. Keep practicing this every day and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. In the next class, we will be learning about shapes. Do you know? We'll be learning 4 major shapes, okay? Rectangle, square, and triangle and circle. So, don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Thank you. Bye-bye.